Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Nixoderm. It's a pleasure to see you again. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. Over here, we discuss DIY self-care. We also discuss cosmetics, pedicure, manicure. This is like the fourth video I'm going to be putting up on my channel. If you have been here from the day one, you must have seen a video on how to shape your brows by yourself without making any mistakes symmetrically. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to put the link in the description. And you're also going to see a video on how to do a simple home pedicure with just one ingredient in your kitchen. If you haven't seen that video before, there's going to be a link in the description. And also there's a video I talked about the danger of UV nail irradiation, that when you go to the salon and you have to use maybe a UV nail dryer, you should know what is happening and what you should do to protect yourself. I will also include that link in the description. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you very much for your support. I do not take your support for granted. Thanks for tuning in again, and I hope that you always find my videos useful. So for this particular video, I am going to be reviewing cosmetics I used. Recently, I have taken interest in skincare. I want to take my skincare journey more seriously. I mean, I always overlook that aspect of myself because I'm someone that over the years I always felt that I am okay. I mean, I didn't have any major health skin problem. If you're joining this channel at this point, you're going to be in the journey with me. At this point, you are actually watching the process. You're growing with me, because as I'm using every product that I use, I am going to put the review here, and then you get to decide if you want to use that product or not. All right, so you are free to learn from me and my mistakes. I hope you are going to be here when the results start to show. And like I said earlier, feel free to learn from my mistakes. Also, because I am a pharmacist, I am also going to be talking expert review, okay, because I know what each ingredient in the product is capable of doing to my skin. There's nothing essentially wrong with my skin. It's just that I had some, the skin pores that you have, the pores on your face. Yeah, they were looking kind of blocked. Some of them darkened, so that is called blackheads, right? And then some whiteheads in some part of my face. And so I thought to myself, okay, let me see if I can get any product that can help me clean this, whiteheads and blackheads, because that's how acne starts. If you want me to make a full video discussing acne and the causes of acne, I might do that in future. So if that is what you want, leave a comment that you want a video on acne and therapeutic management of acne, and I'm going to leave that video for you. Actually, let me even tell you guys a short story. I stopped using my cream because I found out that one of the ingredients in the cream was carcinogenic. I mean, it's prone to cause skin cancer. Another challenge I had was that it was adulterated most often. So I would go to get a new cream and it's adulterated, and sometimes I don't notice, and then when I use it, I have breakouts, I have skin reactions on my face, and so I was like, no, I can't continue like this. So then I decided to take a pause and treat what was going on in my face. I mean, I took a pause for a while, and then I had all those whiteheads and everything, and that was why I chose to use Nixoderm. Why did I choose Nixoderm? Nixoderm contains benzoic acid, salicylic acid, and sulfur. Now I know sulfur helps to remove excess dead skin from your skin, and then salicylic acid helps to unclog your pores. It breaks down the whiteheads and the blackheads. And then benzoic acid is a little bit bactericidal, and it also helps to reduce excess oil on your face. So I knew what I was going into, right? And I am going to show you guys all the steps or what I went through, and you guys will now decide for yourself if you go get this for acne or for something else. I mean, it's a perfect combination to break down my whiteheads and blackheads and clear all the pores. And what I was expecting that at the end of this recipe, I will have a very smooth skin. So did I achieve my dream? Did I have that smooth skin? Okay, so I'm going to show you step by step, day 1 to day 5. Yes, so it was 5 days therapy. 5-day therapy. So I'm going to show you what happened in every single day. There are other, products that contain those 3 ingredients. Apart from Nixoderm, there is microderm. Yes, I think there's another one, demol. So feel free to pick any one of them if you feel like using this combination. When I started with this cream, this is what my face looked like. I'm going to put pictures of what my face looked like on the screen, and then on the one, man, I was just rubbing this cream on my face, massaging it in, and then boom, something happened. There comes the burning sensation. They did not warn me before. I'm the one that did not warn myself. I am warning you guys. You guys see this Nixoderm? It shall burn. It shall. Hey God! I was just rubbing the thing all over my face, like feeling it, massaging. The thing showed me, Pepe. There's an instruction that I omitted, guys. Directions. Down, 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 down. They said, for delicate skin, dilute with petroleum jelly. Guys, I know too well that I have very sensitive skin. I just did not have the patience to read through the entire direction. I later found out that benzoic acid is irritant. It irritates the skin and gives that burning sensation. Almost immediately after applying it, that was why immediately after I applied Nixoderm, I had this burning sensation that, oh my god, it was too hot. It was hot. I tried cleaning some of it from my face, but it just continued. Luckily for me, in about 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, the burning subsided slowly. It was such a relief. And then I looked at this pack, and then I got to see that I'm supposed to dilute it with petroleum jelly. That is Vaseline. So this on the second day, when I picked up the product, I almost made the same mistake. Now God save me. I already put the cream on my cheek, and then I noticed that, oh my god, I forgot. Then I went back to dilute with petroleum jelly. Well, I still experienced a little bit of burning sensation, and then I decided on the third day I'm going to just make sure I remember to dilute. So my cheeks were burning, but the other side of my face wasn't burning because I mixed it. By that word dilute, you just have to take equal amount or even more, please. Equal amount of Vaseline and mix it with the product, and then you put it on your face in the affected area. Alright, make sure it doesn't enter your eyes. If it does, rinse with plenty of water. Alright, so on day 3, I didn't really feel any burning sensation on that day. And day 4, so after all said and done, this is what my face looks like. You guys should give me a honest review. This thing, did it work? Did it? Actually, when I looked at my my cheeks, I don't know if you can see it, but the blackheads, the whiteheads, they have reduced, like they have minimized. But then the shock that I have is this boy here that is coming out, and then there's a new one coming out. Okay, this one healed. It was here. This one healed, and then a new one is coming out here. Why must it be so? I mean, the combination of benzoic acid, salicylic acid is supposed to dry all these things and prevent them from coming out, right? That was why it was in that mixture. So why is it coming out? Did that product work for me? I think yes. I think for one part, it actually tried to break down some whiteheads and blackheads, but there was kind of reaction I got. I started having reddish patch on my eyes, and then another there was inflammation. Another one came out on my chin, and some other reactions around my face. So it's like solving one problem and causing another problem. And then why did that happen? It's because of the benzoic acid. The benzoic acid is the irritant. It is what was irritating my face. So I think I have a very sensitive skin, such that once it gets irritated, the aim of the therapy was not achieved. Did it break the whiteheads and blackheads that I so much wanted it to? Yes. But then it precipitated another reaction because I have a sensitive skin, and hence I got all that on my face. If you have a sensitive skin like mine, you might also have a similar reaction. I mean, you're trying to solve one problem and then your skin is reacting. You have inflammation, your skin gets tender and reddish. I would not say this product is not good, because aside from acne, it is very good for scabies because of the sulfur. Sulfur ingredient here can also be used for scabies infestation, and benzoic acid and salicylic acid are also good as well. So I cannot say this product is not good. I think it is just for my face being overly sensitive. And also, if you are not using it for acne, it can be good for other things like that scabies infestation I mentioned, and also for ringworm and other skin problems. But for acne, for me, I was disappointed. It's a no-no. I will not use any combination containing benzoic acid because I am suspecting it is benzoic acid that irritated my skin. Well, that is it for this product. Thanks for watching. See you next week.